Hello everyone, welcome to the Error Slayer channel. Today I will show you how to optimize Microsoft Edge for gaming. First, open Microsoft Edge and click the three dots in the upper right corner. Then open Settings. Click the System and Performance tab in the menu on the left. Then click on System. Now, I want you to follow these steps carefully. Startup Boost should be enabled. Continue running background extensions and apps when Edge is closed should be disabled. Use graphics acceleration when available should be enabled. Next, click the Back button and open the Performance tab. Make sure the Performance detector is enabled. Then scroll down and enable PC Gaming Boost. Then type Edge, flags into the URL bar and press Enter. Type Force High Performance GPU in the search bar and activate it. Then type Override Software Rendering List and enable it as well. To ensure these changes take effect correctly, restart Microsoft Edge by clicking the Restart button. Your Microsoft Edge is now more optimized for gaming. I hope this How to Optimize Microsoft Edge for Gaming guide video was helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.